BJP has taken a unilateral decision. They have not consulted on this part, especially with the name. So what do you want to say on this? Do you think that there is hope for a consensus on parties in this candidature?
You see, Ghulam Nabi Azad ji is a very senior leader of the country and of course the Congress party. I don't wish to comment anything on what his stand is because for his party's stand, why should I be commenting? It is their wisdom and now their approach and now their decision according to which they have to plan their future strategy. As far as BJP is concerned, we have given a very sincere, dedicated human being to the political scene of India, and as a new incoming president for India, we have given one very fine person who will certainly bring a lot of grace to the office of the President of India. So we need not be worried or bothered about what others are saying or will say in the times to come.
Thank you, sir. And moreover, regarding your own ministry, in Tamil Nadu Assembly now there is a big chaos going on regarding the new cattle trade rules. Will the central government bring an amendment to this notification? Because even Supreme Court has given a notice to.
I have said this on a number of occasions. I repeat it again that this law, through this law, we never wanted to affect either the slaughtering business or never wanted to impose any restrictions on the food habits of individuals. So when this law was brought, it was put in public domain for over 1 month. Even now, since there have been some reservations or some you say misconceptions that have developed about the interpretation of some of the sections of the law, we are looking at all the representations that we have received from various quarters, and we are looking at them very, very objectively and very sincerely, and we'll see that we take care of every concern that has been expressed by anybody. If there is anyone who wants to convey something, or if he has any specific apprehensions which needs to be addressed by the government, we'll certainly look at it very positively.
So can we take it that the centre will amend the notification based on the suggestion?
I think I have made my point very clear.
Thank you, sir. மத்திய சுற்றுச்சூழல் மற்றும் வனவிலங்குத்துறை அமைச்சர் ஹர்ஷவர்தனை பொறுத்தவரை தற்போதைய நிலையில் அந்த புதிய கால்நடை சந்தை கட்டுப்பாட்டு சட்டம் தொடர்பாக பல்வேறு தரப்பிடமிருந்து உரிய கருத்துக்கள் பெறப்பட்டு வருவதாகவும் மத்திய அரசு இந்த விவகாரத்தில் உரிய நடவடிக்கை விரைவில் எடுக்கும் என்று தன்னுடைய கருத்தை முன்வைத்துள்ளார். தந்தை செய்திகளுக்காக புதுடெல்லியிலிருந்து ஒளிப்பதிவாளர் பிரதீப் சவானுடன் அரவன்.